Okay, okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay, I will start now. Yes, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Sampark. I am I'm representing the Dental House. It is a multi-speciality dental clinic and implant center. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. I'm Dr. Dipali Mandhana. Next. I am a BDS and I did my PG diploma in oral implantology from Manipal University. I hold a work experience of about 7 years in the field of dentistry, and I've served for 1 year in Government Dental College, Nagpur. Next. So, learning is a continuous process. So, I have done various certification courses to keep myself upgraded from time to time. Next. So, about my clinic, the Dental House. At the Dental House, we are known for providing best dental healthcare services, and we have the best infrastructural facility and a dedicated and a well-trained staff. Next. So about the facilities that we have in our clinic, we have all the facilities ranging from root canal treatments to implants to dental jewelry, which is available in my clinic. I will go through each one of them one by one. Next slide, please. So the first facility that we have is about a painless root canal treatment, जिसे हम नस का इलाज कहते हैं in layman language. So we do painless root canal treatment just in one sitting. Next. मिसिंग टूथ या मिसिंग दांत है एक से ज्यादा, so we can replace it with a bridge or a crown, which is the facility, one of the facility in my clinic. Next. A dental implant, यानी कि आपका दांत कोई मिसिंग है, we can replace it with a screw retained tooth. That is a dental implant, and I am a specialist in implants only. I'm an implantologist, so this is one of the facility in my clinic. Next. डेंचर्स यानी कि बत्तीसी. सो इन एक दिन में वी कैन गिव अवे द डेंचर्स. मॉर्निंग में आप आएंगे विथ नो टीथ इन योर माउथ एंड इन द इवनिंग यू कैन गो अवे विथ ऑल टीथ इन योर माउथ. सो दिस इज द मैजिक ऑफ डेंचर्स इन वन डे. नेक्स्ट. जैसे पीडियाट्रिक डॉक्टर्स होते हैं वैसे ही चाइल्ड डेंटिस्ट जैसे कि पीडोडोंटिस्ट होते हैं. सो वी हैव स्पेशलिस्ट पीडोडोंटिस्ट इन आवर clinic which take care of children, all the facilities for the children. Next. गम डिजीज यानी कि मसूड़ों का फूल जाना या उसमें से खून निकलना, रेडनेस आ जाना. So that is the gum treatment जिसे हम हेल्दी गम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट. ब्रेसेस यानी तार लगाना दांतों पे, टेढ़े मेढ़े दांतों को सीधा करने के लिए. तो डिफरेंट टाइप के ब्रेसेस, जिसमें मेटल के ब्रेसेस, दांत के रंग के ब्रेसेस, invisible braces, all kinds of braces are available in my clinic. Next. इस पिक्चर में आप फर्स्ट थिंग क्या नोटिस करेंगे? यू विल नोटिस द मिसिंग टीथ और मिसिंग आईब्रो. नेक्स्ट आप नोटिस करेंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट द स्माइल इज. सो आई डू स्माइल मेकओवर्स. नेक्स्ट. जैसे कि नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में आप देखेंगे, फर्स्ट पिक्चर में a lot of gums is visible, तो उसकी स्माइल इतनी प्लेजेंट नहीं लग रही है. बट इन द सेकंड पिक्चर वी हैव करेक्टेड हर स्माइल एंड मेड इट प्रोपोर्शनली लुक ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज अ स्माइल मेकओवर केस. नेक्स्ट. टीथ क्लीनिंग यानी कि दांतों पे स्टेन्स आना. सो ऑल दो स्टेन्स कैन बी रिमूव्ड विथ टीथ क्लीनिंग. नेक्स्ट. डेंटल ज्वेलरी, जैसे आप ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं वैसे टूथ को भी ज्वेलरी लगा के भी इनहेंस योर स्माइल. नेक्स्ट. So our sole motto is to provide you with the best oral hygiene care, and we make the patient fully aware of the treatment procedures that needs to be taken. Next. Our expertise are, we have specialist dentists in our clinic in each branch of dentistry so that best possible treatment is provided at one stop. Next. Next, please. In this COVID scenario, we are taking proper sterilization measures to ensure patient safety. PPE kits are being donned, complete patient evaluation is done, all the necessary precautions are being taken, so it is completely safe to get a dental treatment done. Next. So this is a picture of how we used to, next, how we used to treat the patient before COVID, and during COVID, we are taking all the precautionary measures necessary. Next. So I will go take you through some of my cases. This is a case in which एक patient का दांत chip off हो गया था, यानी टूट गया था in an accident. So in the second picture, I have treated that tooth just in 1 hour. 1 घंटे में without touching the natural teeth, हमने उसको natural teeth जैसा बना दिया. Next. The second case is इसमें patient के नीचे के दांत हिल रहे थे. So we have replaced it with artificial teeth. So अब a patient easily खाना भी खा सकता है and he can smile confidently also. Next. This is my case in which the patient had all stained teeth, not looking good. In the second picture, we have cleaned its teeth. Next. इसमें दांत ऊंचे हैं. Patient के दांत you can see up ऊपर है. अगली picture में आगे next please. इसमें दांत आगे है, होठों पे आ रहे थे. So we corrected it. We aligned it with the help of braces. Next. So apart from all this, even Dental House believes in giving away to the society. So we have done a lot of free dental checkup camps wherein over 1,000 students were checked for free. It's Khapri village where we have checked over 75 villagers for free. Next. So these are the pictures from various camps at different locations. Next. In association with different organizations and different platforms. We have done a lot of free dental checkup camps. Next. Next, please. So these are valuable reviews from some of our patients at various social media platforms like Facebook. Next, Practo, Just Dial. We thank them for such wonderful reviews. Next. So these are my patients walking away with happy smiles. Next. All smiles, big smiles, happy smiles, right? Next. So who can be my clientele? I believe every one of you can be my clientele because I think once in a lifetime, you have to undergo a dental treatment. So every one of you can be my client. Next. So my specific ask is, please connect me to your family, your friends, your circle of influence, to the doctors, your known beauticians, and also if any organization is willing to give away dental memberships to their employees because we have a provision of dental membership cards also. Next. These are certain awards I have been affiliated with. Next. These are my contact details. My clinic is in shop number 2 Krishna Plaza, Lakadganj. My timings because of COVID are just restricted to 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Please take prior appointments to avoid waiting time. Next. So my motto, my hook for today is rock your smile. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm Dr. Dipali Manghuna, representing the Dental House, Multi-Speciality Dental Clinic and Implant Center. Thank you so much.